Welcome back. The DWI process starts before you get stopped by the police. Before an officer makes a decision to stop you, they look for traffic violations and initial DWI detection cues. Today we are going to discuss the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration's 24 initial DWI detection cues. These are the cues that they look at before they make a decision to stop you. My name is Patrick Nolan. I'm an attorney licensed in the state of Missouri. This is Pat Talks Law. First, weaving. We've all seen this guy driving. Back and forth in his lane like a palm tree in a heavy wind. Straighten up, drive right. Weaving across lane lines. Wandering into other lanes of traffic. Yeah, I can't really say much here. This is an indication that there is something going on. Straddling a lane line, at least you're not weaving. We might be able to do something with that. Swerving, that's that sudden change of direction. Perhaps you're in another lane of traffic and you realize there's a car coming at you. It's more severe than weaving, and it is a cue. Turning with a wide radius. If you can't turn right into your lane of traffic, that's a cue. Drifting. This is not road racing drifting. It is not the art of the power slide. And that's what we called it before the term drifting became popular. Almost striking an object or vehicle, or vehicle stopping problems. Too far, too short, too jerky. Another cue is accelerating or decelerating rapidly. Now I have to tell you, this doesn't really seem to be an indicator of intoxication, in my opinion. Some of us, well, we just drive like we have somewhere we have to be. And some people are obstacles. Varying speed. The inability to maintain your speed can be an indicator of a problem. Sometimes the driver has been drinking, but usually it's a blue hair that doesn't understand cruise control. Slow speed. If you're going 10 miles an hour or more under the speed limit, they call that a cue.
Hey man, am I driving okay? I think we're parked, man.
However, in State v. Cardwell in Missouri, the court held that slow driving itself was not unreasonable nor an indicator of intoxication. Driving in opposing lanes or the wrong way on a one-way street. Okay, look, if you're driving the wrong way down the highway or up a one-way street, you really should expect the police to stop you. I do. Slow response to traffic signals. Not pulling away when the light turns green, not slowing down appropriately when the light turns red. Those can be indicators of intoxication. Sure. They may say that. But really, in 2019, it's far more likely that you're watching YouTube on your phone. Slow or failure to respond to an officer's signals. They kick the lights on, man, you gotta pull over. You can't wait 5 miles. Stopping in your lane for no apparent reason. You're blocking traffic, they're going to talk to you about this. It isn't a surprise. Driving without headlights at night. Okay, this was a big thing 20-something years ago, before automatic headlights became a thing. When I was in the Army, we trained on this. You had to remember to dim your headlights as you pulled up to the front gate. Dim your headlights as you pulled up to the front gate, and then turn them back on as you pulled away. And when you're drunk, things seem brighter, and you could miss that, or so I've heard. Just remember, you have to turn your headlights on at night. Failure to signal or signaling inconsistent with your action. In rural Missouri, I'm not sure this applies anymore. Most folks up here don't seem to understand what a turn signal is, let alone how to use it. But failing to signal or signaling left when you're going to turn right, or failing to turn it off, are indicators of intoxication or that there's something police need to talk to you about. Following too closely. Yeah, okay. Or it could be that the person in front of you is driving 7 miles an hour under the speed limit and you have places to be. Improper or unsafe lane change is also an indicator or cue. Illegal or improper turn, too fast, jerky, sharp, driving on other than the designated roadway. Clearly, look, guys, if you're driving on the sidewalk, that is an indication that the police need to have a talk with you. Don't do it. Stay on the road. Stopping inappropriately in response to the officer, inappropriate or unusual behavior, throwing objects, arguing, these are cues. And then finally, 24th, appearing to be impaired. Wholly begging the question, Batman. They paid somebody to write that. Can you believe that? They paid somebody. Appearing to be impaired. Okay. Well, with that, we're done. This has been NHTSA's 24 initial DWI driving clues. You can learn it, practice it, or maybe just, call a cab. Hit the like, subscribe, check out my other videos. If you're suspected of DWI, ask to talk to a lawyer and call a lawyer as soon as you can. Thank you for watching.